all these guys down here. What do you have to say for yourself?
Down.
Down?
No.
No.
Down.
Down? Why? You want to come down here? It's going to be difficult. You have to get your foot over. Come on. Urgh. You got to move your body. Yep. You think it's cool that I'm over here? Yep, there you go. Alright, well, I'll get on the other side now. Ugh. Ugh. What's happening down there? You just ripped off some moss. Let's not rip off the moss.